Hey guys, ever since we were little, we've been told that our planet, Earth, is tilted at about 23.5 degrees and spins around its own axis. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, that little tilt is a total game changer. It's the reason why we even have seasons. Now, let's start with something cool. Earth takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds to make one full spin. That's around 86,164 seconds if you're into the math side of things. Since the Earth's equator is about 40,075 kilometers around, we can calculate our spinning speed with a simple formula. Velocity equals circumference at rotation time. So that's 40,075, but 86,164 was about 465 meters per second, or roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. Yup, that means every single one of us is spinning around faster than a bullet train while sitting completely still. And here's the crazy part. We don't even feel it. You might ask, wait, how come I don't feel dizzy or fly off the planet? Well, everything around you, the land, the air, even your coffee mug, is spinning together with the Earth. It's like being inside a smooth airplane flying at a constant speed. Unless you look out the window, you wouldn't even realize you're moving. At the poles, though, things are totally different. The speed there is actually 0. So technically, if you stand right on the North Pole, you're just chilling, literally and physically, not spinning. And get this, our speed is faster than the speed of sound, which is about 340 meters per second. So yes, you're already moving faster than sound while watching this video in your pajamas. You, my friend, are basically a superhero who just doesn't notice it. Now here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. Earth doesn't just spin on its axis, it's also racing around the sun. It takes 365.25 days to complete one orbit, traveling about 940 million kilometers in that time. So when you crunch the numbers, that's 29.8 kilometers per second, or about 107,000 kilometers per hour. Imagine driving a car that fast. You'd reach the moon in just over 3 hours. So yeah, our planet is basically doing two things at once, spinning and racing around the sun. And somehow we're still alive, scrolling TikTok. Amazing. But here's the part most people don't think about. Why is Earth tilted in the first place? Let's rewind about 4.5 billion years. Back then, Earth was just a young ball of molten rock minding its own business, until a Mars-sized planet named Theia came flying in, and boom, it slammed right into Earth. That cosmic collision knocked our planet sideways, making it tilt. The leftover debris from that impact eventually came together and formed our beautiful moon. So yeah, the moon is literally a souvenir from one of the biggest space crashes in history. Because of that tilt, sunlight doesn't hit all parts of Earth equally. That's why we have summer, monsoon, and winter. Basically, the tilt gives our planet moods. When Earth leans toward the sun, it's summer. When it leans away, it's winter. Think of it like this. When you lean closer to your crush, things get hotter. But when you lean away and sit next to your parents, it instantly gets cold. Now imagine if Earth didn't tilt at all, like spinning straight up at 90 degrees. That would mean no seasons at all. Everywhere would get the same amount of sunlight all year round, super hot during the day, freezing at night, and agriculture? Totally doomed. The equator would be unbearably hot, and the poles would be ice blocks. Here's something cool. Our moon actually helps stabilize Earth's tilt. Because of the moon's gravity, the tilt only changes slightly, between 22 degrees and 24.5 degrees. Without the moon, it could wobble anywhere between 0 degrees and 60 degrees, which would make our weather go absolutely nuts. So yeah, the moon isn't just there for romantic date nights, it's literally keeping our planet's seasons under control. It's Earth's natural stabilizer. Fun fact, Earth was already spinning before Theia hit it. The crash just gave it an extra boost, like a gamer hitting the turbo button. And by the way, everything in the universe spins, from the sun to tiny electrons. Rotation is basically the universe's favorite dance move. So next time you look up at the sky, just remember, You're standing on a tilted spinning rock flying around the sun at insane speed, faster than any spaceship humans have ever built. And all that motion, all that chaos somehow gives us beautiful days, cozy nights, and 4 amazing seasons. All thanks to one ancient cosmic collision. Pretty cool, right? If you've watched till the end, thanks so much. You're now officially part of the I'm spinning at 465 miles per second and proud of it club. Don't forget to like, share, and spin that subscribe button for more cosmic stories. See you guys in the next video.